In the era of COVID, a subdued celebration at the Supreme Court to mark a monumental victory for lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender Americans.
It's huge, and it's a major step forward and in the right direction for this entire LGBTQ community.
As a gay American, it's just shocking to me to think that in so many states around the country before today, I could still be fired for being gay.
In a 6-3 decision, the court ruled the Civil Rights Act of 1964 applies to sexual orientation and gender identity because the law prohibits discrimination based on sex. It now means an employee can't be fired for being lesbian, gay, bisexual, or transgender.
I've read the decision, and some people were surprised, but they've ruled, and we live with their decision. That's what it's all about. We live with the decision of the Supreme Court. Very powerful, a very powerful decision, actually.
The surprise in this ruling is that 2 conservative justices, including the Chief Justice and Neil Gorsuch, who was appointed by U.S. President Donald Trump, sided with their liberal colleagues. The justices in dissent argued the court was amending the law rather than interpreting it because it was originally meant to ensure men and women are treated equally in the workplace.
It affirms our humanity. It really does.
This transgender activist says American attitudes are changing. She cried when she saw the massive turnout in New York this weekend at a Black Trans Lives Matter protest.
The movement for equality is not over. Discrimination is still legal in public accommodations, in housing, for credit, for schools, for adoption. But this decision by the Supreme Court is a signal that things are going to move in the right direction.
Pride parades and demonstrations have widely been canceled this summer because of COVID-19. The court's ruling gives the LGBT community something to celebrate, to unite and come together over at a time when people can't be together. Katie Simpson, CBC News, Washington.